Kim Jong Un here to order you to come on down to Fantastic Kim Hair Salon for all your state section hairstyle needs. At Fantastic Kim, our properly trained and torture staff are dedicated to giving you the haircut and order you have. Choose between the following hairstyle: the Snapdragon, the Rice Bowl cut, the Kim Kardashian, the Sleeper Monkey, the Han Young Boy, the Kim Jong Un, the hair with whitetail, fork, the Kim Jong Un, my personal favorite, the K-Town Boy. You gotta love your new Kim Jong Un haircut, just as my best friend Dennis Lawman.
What? Yeah. Whatever he said.
If you don't like your new Kim Jong Un haircut, I personally promise I give you money back, or else I kill you with firing squad. So why you don't come on down to Fantastic Kim Hair Salon? We open now. We in the capital city, Pyongyang, North Korea, or else.
If you like this video by me and my best friend, like, subscribe, and make a comment below.
Dennis Lawman.
Make sure you check out any of our other stuff.
Dennis Lawman.
Be an ambassador for the 5-minute sketch show just like I am.
Dennis Lawman.
And we'll make double team too, with me and Kim Jong Un.